YouTube, Soul Review Kicks here. Back with another video, back with another review, unboxing. All I gotta say is honey black. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's get into this review. Let's get into this bad boy right quick. As always, if you enjoy this video content, comment, like, subscribe. Helps the channel grow a little bit. Let's take a look at what we have here today. We have Air Max 95 SP black Tor yellow. Alright, US sticker on the bottom right corner or your left. Alright, not seeing anything else. Take a look at the bottom. Alright, these are special, very special, let me tell you. It's a special shoe, special presentation, as all shoes, I believe. The price of shoes these days, okay? Let me just take you on a quick little statement. I gotta say this, because the price of shoes today, and some of these people drop these releases, these shoes, and they just put little pieces of papers in there. That bothers me a little bit, and I'm sure it bothers everybody else. You know, you're spending a lot of money on these shoes. You want them, you know, to be presented properly or to look right. You know, come on now. Let me show you something. I'm going to open this box. You guys tell me what y'all think, please. Let's get this comment section flooded. And this is just Nike and a collab. They're, you know, this is how you do it. Look. I'm not even going to do it. Look. Not doing it. No, I'm going to just end the video right now. Just kidding. But yeah, come on, look at this. You know, look, even the cardboard box has that topographic look, you know, look like mountains in the background type-ish, you know, camo pattern. I'm not too sure what it is, but come on, you get your own description, base your own thoughts, whatever, paint your own image. You get what I'm saying. Look at this. Paper is beautiful. Alright, let's break it in. Alright, let's check it out. Check it out. Ooh, you see them? Honey black. That's all I'm going to say. Honey black. Quick little. Okay. Let's take a look. We do have a date code on the box. Like I said, I'm not too sure if they're replicating these, but if they are, looks like we got a little date code right there. Okay. See anything else? No, I don't see anything else. Okay. There goes your box lid stuff. 330 by 225 by 115. Okay. All right. Let's get into this one. You see it. Air Max 95s. It's black and Tor yellow. This is premium right here. You know, when I first saw this shoe, I thought it was a Ken Griffey's because of that logo right there. But then I was like, oh, okay, wait a minute. Beautiful shoe. Uh-oh. I don't know what that is, but I hope it wipes away. Little glue mark. I'm sure it will. Premium. Yellow Nike check sign. Check out the back. Oh. A little rough on quality, but nah, not too bad, I guess. It's got longitude, latitude, and numbers, I believe. Guys, comment in that section. Let me know what you think. Pretty nice. I love this. It's been nicknamed Honey Blacks. I like it. Who doesn't love a good pair of 95s? Let's be real. Alright, let's take a look at some of this detail. You see they have a different type of shoelace system here. It looks like you have like a little enclosure. I don't know what they call this, but a little different. Pretty neat. Or you could just take it out, I'm sure, and just tie your shoe the regular way. Take a look at that Corteiz or Corteiz logo. That's different. I like that. Take a look at the inside of the shoe. We have shoe tree, which is paper. Not a fan of it. All right. Shoe tag. All right. Let's get the insole out here. Sure. Oop. Okay. I don't know what the... Alright. The old trusty blue insole. Nice little silk fill. Nike stickers right, or the size stickers right on the logo. So just in case that you have it. Other than that, let's take a look at the inside stitching. Typical 85. You know, comment below. You guys remember back in the day, and I mean back in the day, the Air Max 85s, I mean 95s, I'm sorry, used to come with the little piece that you would put right here in the inside the shoe. You would put that there, and it would like do something to your foot, your arch. You guys remember that? They used to come with arches. They were like a blue arch. I think they had different colors depending on what model you had, but it was like a baby blue or dark blue arch. Give me a little history, but yeah, anywho. We are good. Gonna call it a day. Beautiful shoe, not gonna lie. Beautiful shoe. As always, if you guys like the video, subscribe, comment, like. Catch you guys on the next one. Soul Review kicks out.